Hello everyone, it's Steven here. Welcome back to the video. So, I haven't been doing a video for 7 days, like even yesterday's video, because yesterday's video was filmed quite a while back and I had to put it out there. But I'm back now, so I wanted to let you know that I will be back. Right now I just had some personal stuff that I had to deal with, but I should be back for quite a while now. So, with that being said, what I'm going to talk about today is the 3 businesses that you can start in 2019 very easily without very much money. So, the very first one I'm going to share with you is Amazon Kindle Publishing. So, Amazon Kindle Publishing is something that you can do for very cheap. In fact, you could absolutely do it for free. And this is a great way to make some money without, dealing with a lot of headaches, because all you have to do is publish a book, and you can even do it with, publishing, like ask someone to actually write the book for you. That's a very simple way to go about it. So Amazon Kindle Publishing, you could go to any freelance website, ask somebody that you want a book on this or that topic, and then put it together and send it to Amazon. So Amazon Kindle Publishing is a great way to make some money without having too much to deal with, without having any overhead costs, even though it might cost you a little bit of money if you want to get it done by somebody else. But if you want to do it by yourself, it's not going to cost you any money at all, because all you have to do is write it, put it together, send it to Amazon, and that's it. You don't have to publish the book, on a real physical book. You can just do that and send it to Amazon. So that's a great way to make some money very easily on Amazon. So the next thing that I want to talk about is Amazon Handmade. Amazon Handmade is a great way to make some money. It's just like Etsy. If you've heard about Etsy, it's a website where you can make your own stuff no matter what it is. If you do it by hand, by yourself, you're not a big company or anything like that. Maybe you know how to put some bracelets together. Maybe you know how to, I don't know, sew some t-shirts, whatever it may be. If you know how to do something with your hands, and it can be pretty much anything, people are willing to buy things that you wouldn't even think of. So, that's exactly what Amazon Handmade is. It's just like Etsy, except that you have the Amazon customer base. And that's something huge to do, like amazing, that you can't even think of, because Amazon has a customer base that, it's the biggest company, like, selling physical things out there. And, it's very powerful. Like, think about it. Jeff Bezos is the richest person in the world. And that means a lot, since most of his money is coming from Amazon. So Amazon is a huge way to actually make some money. And if you do things with your hands instead of going to Etsy, or you can do both, obviously, but if you sell it on Amazon, there's a huge customer base. It's a reliable company that people are willing to order from. Like 50% of the online sales are going through Amazon. So if you can make something through Amazon, then that's a great way that you're actually going to make some money, using that service. So if you know how to do things with your hands, then it's a great way to actually make some money. So the next thing that I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. Now, this is one of my favorites. It's actually not even one of my favorites. It's my favorite way to actually make some money online. It's affiliate marketing. You can make some sales and actually, take it through, like go through the roof with some sales. It can be absolutely amazing. Now, Kindle publishing, you can also do that. But, affiliate marketing is something that you can just sleep on and actually make some money, like really, really in a great way. So, affiliate marketing is where you take a link, if you sign up to Amazon's, affiliate program, which I believe, well, I know it's called Amazon Associates. You go to that, you sign up, and you don't need very much, more than any other website where you're going to get paid. So obviously you need to put some personal information. But once you do that, once you go through affiliate marketing, you can sell anything on Amazon, to anybody. So you can make some money that way. So the best way to do this, in my opinion, is to do this through YouTube. Don't go spamming your family or, things like that, or your friends or whatever to click on your link. But instead, build an audience where you're actually going to make some money that way. And that's, the best way that you can absolutely make some money with affiliate marketing. So, I have a ton of other videos on affiliate marketing, but if you take something that's worth quite a bit of money, don't go and sell books, because books, even though they're pretty easy to sell, you might get a sale or two, you're going to get cents. So don't try and get cents. Get the real money. Like, get them to buy a washing machine or something like that, or a big screen TV or something like that. That's where you're going to actually make the real money. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.